How to make a Christmas tree with star treetopper out of a paper money. Subscribe and click the bell for notifications. Let's unfold to see the creases and fold it back into a Christmas tree. Make a horizontal fold. Other names for this type of fold are book fold, mountain fold, and valley fold. Make sure to leave a good crease. Unfold. Then make another book fold, then unfold. Next step is to create a water bomb base. First, make this diagonal fold. Unfold. Make this another diagonal fold, then unfold. Now place both fingers at the back of these sides, then push to the middle. Those push will create this triangle. Flatten and align this triangle here. Water bomb base completed. Get this diagonal crease by folding from this corner to the top corner. Then do the same fold on the other side. Unfold. Get this crease by folding the top corner to this edge. Unfold. Push this edge up to top corner, then follow this fold. Push this corner, then check out how it's fold. Do the same on the opposite corner. Turn the paper, then get these creases. Now, this part will be tricky. First, align this certain side here by pushing this using your thumb. Then do the same fold on the other side. Make a rabbit ear fold on both sides. Pause or adjust the video speed to catch up your folding while viewing. Simplest way to make a tiny rabbit ear fold is by doing this push and pinch trick. Fold everything but the rabbit ear from this edge to this center vertically. Then do the same fold on the other side. Regain this crease we have made from the beginning. Fold the bottom edge to the horizontal creased at the center. Fold the bottom edge to this crease. Pick up this crease, then fold it in this crease. align this certain edge to this crease. Make a horizontal fold. Unfold. Then do the same fold on the other side. Now this part is tricky, but the creases made earlier will make it easy. Push this edge. Then flatten the fold. Then do the same fold on the other side. Congratulations, you have just folded an origami Christmas tree.